Great.
Well, then why all the fuss over a few little noises? How can you even hear over the sounds of wind or traffic?
Well, I can.
They're not serious, are they? I mean, they don't affect the way your car runs.
To me, they're very serious. I hear them all the time I'm driving, so I can't enjoy my car. And as far as affecting the way the car runs, no, nothing's happened. Not yet. But I don't know what kind of damage is going on in there. It worries me. It makes me wonder about the quality of the whole car.
And that's why we're here today, because of a few noises in the instrument panel of your car? Madam, this court is for real noises. Firecrackers, jackhammers, rock concerts, sonic booms. Not squeaks and rattles.
Your Honor, I'd like to address that point, if I may. See, we don't want any of our customers experiencing any problems, no matter how minor they may appear to be. We want Mrs. Johnson's car to be perfect, and we're concerned when she feels that it isn't. Our only point is that Paul Baker is not responsible for the noises.
Then who is? Let's get moving. I have a full docket here today. 3 whining basset hounds, a librarian with hiccups, and an entire neighborhood of bagpipers. It's a noisy world out there. Call your next witness, Mr. Pruitt.
I do. Mr. Right. And instrument panels are installed in your area.
That's right. You see, the bodies come down the line to.
How many instrument panels do you work on an hour, Miss Jones?
Usually about 60, depending on the car and the equipment.
One a minute, then.
Hey, I see you're pretty good with math, and you can tell time, too.
No smart remarks, please. Just answer the questions. This is Quietness Court, and we don't need sound-off witnesses at this hearing.
All right. 60 an hour is 1 a minute. So the man was right.
Well, exactly what do you do in that minute, Miss Jones? Different. He is no more guilty than anyone else, and therefore just as innocent as anyone else.
Thank you, gentlemen. This has turned into a very revealing case. The evidence has been very sound and convincing. It is the ruling of this court. And I find with the defense that Mr. Baker is innocent. He has not been proven to be guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And from the testimony presented to me here today, it is apparent that everyone could be guilty. Squeaks and rattles could develop anywhere, from design and engineering to manufacturing or assembly. Now, it is essential that in order to solve Mrs. Johnson's problem, the people involved in each one of these areas must work together instead of pointing a finger at one another. Awareness is the key. If all of you remain aware of the seriousness of squeaks and rattles and pay attention to the details of your work that could cause them, I won't be getting any more Ford Motor Company customers complaining about squeaks and rattles. Court dismissed.